Introducing the 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, removable floor console, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.